Okay, morning guys, it is GoJapan show at Brands Hatch for, I don't know what round it is now of Drift Pro, but anyway, we're here, the Zed's here, everyone else is lined up. We are getting ready to go out for qualification, for practice, sorry. Only 30 minutes this morning, so it's going to be a quick session, but we're going to do a couple of tips and tricks that Yogi obviously we were working on at Silverstone, and yeah, looking forward to trying to get on that elusive podium today. So anyway, let's get out there. Got a couple of solo runs I think first, and then yeah, we'll get into the twinning practice, so hopefully we'll get a few laps done. Right guys, so that is practice done, and yeah, it was a mess. It definitely wasn't my normal characteristic style at Brands Hatch. Had a few issues, the boot started flapping, so yeah, had to go and duct tape that down. Thanks Sam for your duct tape on that one. But also, just as I was relining up to go and do my last lap, the car shut off again. So I had to get towed back, toe of shame. No idea why it happened again. So yeah, it still had half a tank of fuel according to the gauge. So we're now just putting the other pump, the high pressure pump back on. But yeah, something hasn't or just isn't right at the moment. I really can't understand what the difference is. So yeah, we'll have to see if we can manhandle it through the rest of the day, and just wish and pray and pray and pray. So fingers crossed. Let's get ready for qualification, which is in the next half an hour, and be out there again. Okay, right, so qualification results are in. Again, not my finest Brands work, but we are in, we are 8th. We've got Mr. Beachy in his R34, which is in this weekend, so it's going to be an interesting battle, but it'll always be fun with Beachy, so it doesn't matter. So we've got a bit of a crowd coming in now. Boys are getting the table ready, so it's time that I get some food in me, get the posters out and get some autographs done. So stay tuned. Right guys, so top 16 is done against Beachy. Yeah, that was a good little battle. Beachy did go off behind me when he was trying to follow at the speed we've been going in. I didn't go on the front curb, which I was happy with, and yeah, lit up clear ways, that was sweet. When I went in following Beachy, definitely a bit strange, not quite as fast as I normally would, but we gave him the space, and he put on a sweet line really for me to follow, and yeah, gave us some cracking pictures of clear ways. So yeah, well done to that man. But guess what? We're through to the top 8. Fantastic. And we have the Nemesis drifter, of always, Ollie Evans, who's over there somewhere. I don't know where he is. But anyway, usual drifter, usual top 8 battle for me. The boys have been working hard on the car. It's all ready to rock and roll. So, fingers crossed we take Evans out again. Here we go.
What's going on, fellas? Self-tire changing today.
Self-tire changing there.
Okay, so that is the top 8 done. Right, Ollie, first battle. Chased him, and for the first time ever, he didn't just run away, which was awesome. You know, even up at Clearways, we were starting to get close. Hopefully we can drop in a few good pictures of that one. Unfortunately, when he then chased me, there must have been a problem with his car. I remember like going down the straight, pulling all the gears, and then seeing a little speck in the distance, and I know I'm not that fast. So yeah, unfortunately for Ollie, that was all it wrote for him, but obviously it let us through. Next up was Louis Edwards, and man, that kid can fly, and it came down to my transition timing. As usual, Louis' transitions were super snappy, and he was right on my door again when he chased. But again, I was so happy when I was chasing him. He didn't just run away, and I think we came round Clearways again looking sweet, so I was super happy with that one. But that then put us in the third, fourth battle against Josh King. Yeah, Josh and I had tussled before. Luckily this time when we went for third, fourth, the boot lid didn't come off as well, so that was awesome. But the weird thing was I didn't get the feedback from the tyres I've been getting all day. So all the way through the day, brand new pairs of tyres, and been feeling that grip and whatever. But this time when I initiated, yeah, it just felt like I was running on an old pair of tyres almost, so it was really weird. And I saw Josh on Clearways just slowly pulling away from me, and I think that was the difference then when those boys still on the podium. So unfortunately the podium still eludes me at Brands Hatch, but again, super happy, looking forward to seeing what the GPS says on the GoPro for how fast we were going and how quick the lap was. But yeah, learned a lot again. This little car is getting better and better every time, and same with myself. But yeah, bring on Snetterton. So wish me luck, guys, and we'll see you then.
Bye everyone. Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye business fans. Bye.
Oh yeah, like, comment and subscribe.